Like ka na lang nagkagala, nagmamall. Wala mo masama yan. Pero kung every Saturday yung ginagawa mo, you keep on spending money. Right, positive day, Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Disunga from My Game Change Project. Magandang Wednesday morning sa lahat ng mga Delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Dr. Gigi Disunga. And sa lahat ng mga gusto magpa-coach sa atin, online or personal, and if you want to enroll in my 6-month master class, and if you want to advertise your own business or your YouTube channel, message ka lang 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Disunga. Alright, so decision time sa ating lahat, okay? By the way, this next Saturday siguro tayo muna magpunta ng SM North. So, lahat ng gusto magpa-coach dyan, nandyan tayo probably next Saturday, okay? Alright, so decision time. Okay, baka it's high time for you to make a decision. Tandaan natin, when you make decisions, you're making new path. Right? You are redirecting your life. Okay? Basta nagdesisyon ng tao, meron siyang babaguhin. At yung pagbabago na yon, yun yung sometimes small steps, small decisions will change your life. Right? So, may mga bagay na dapat na nating desisyonan na parang lapse na kumbaga. So, late na yung mga decisions minsan natin, di ba? Pero, nevertheless, pwede pa rin natin baguhin. Ano ba yung mga decisions natin or mga areas ng buhay natin na kailangan ng desisyonan. You know, when I make decisions 2 years ago, sabi ko, I want to make 6-figure income. I just realized na I deserve that income. Okay? Because at 43, I realized I'm single. I'm a doctor. Have a good career. So, why not make 6-figure income? So, I made the decision then. Sabi ko, hindi na pwede what I'm receiving. So, make a lot of small decisions in my life. And sometimes, may big decision din tayong ginawa. And that changed my life. Alright? So, lahat nag-start sa isang decision. Okay? Alright. Ano ba mga areas natin? Number 1, area na dapat mong desisyonan na baguhin mo na ay your routines, okay? What types of routine meron ka? Alright, anong ginagawa mo maghapon? Try to list down. Ano dyan yung mga bagay na dapat baguhin mo na? Diba? Yung oras ng pagising mo, anong oras? Diba? Yung type of work na ginagawa mo, yung quality of work na ginagawa natin, anong quality meron? Diba? So, yung mga system na ginagawa natin sa office work natin, sa bahay natin, sabi ko nga kahapon na, I think yesterday or the other day, nag-seminar ako sa mga teachers namin. Dapat meron tayong system kasi minsan hanapin lang yung maliit na bagay na ginagamit sa school. Hindi na makita, it takes some minutes. Diba? So, hanapin lang yung red ball pen, hindi naman alam kung nasaan. Diba? Hanapin lang ang mga gamit sa recording, di na alam kung nasaan, di ba? So, baka yung routine mo, you need to, to review, maglagay ka ng system na maayos, what to do with the documents, what to do with the things around you. Sabi ko nga, 3 bagay lang yan when you receive documents. May receive kang paper. So, una, it's either you file it, okay? So, or make a decision, that means, i-delegate mo na siya, or wala na, lagay mo na sa dead files, di ba? So, gano'n lang. So, you're making decisions on your routine, okay? Change your routine. It might be time for you to wake up earlier. It might be time for you to extend some time in your work so that you can accomplish what should be accomplished, right? So, para matuwa naman yung boss mo sa'yo, di ba? Alright, so, yun yung una. Second, yung area na baka dapat natin baguhin is our lifestyle. Yung mga habits natin. What type of habits meron tayo? Lifestyle mo. How do you spend your money? How do you spend your Saturdays and Sundays? How do you spend your after office 5 p.m. to 9 p.m.? What do you do in between those time? baka it's high time to make a decision. Instead of dwelling on the negative things, dwelling on the frustrations that you have, depressions, and loneliness sa buhay mo, why don't you divert your mind or your thinking to something that will make you productive and that something that can increase your income? Diba, according to Jack Ma, sabi niya nga, diba, what you do after work will determine your future. Diba, kasi most of us, yun na yung time natin to do things na hindi naman productive things that are not helping us to become successful. Yung ginagawa natin from 5 to 9. So, ang dami kasing kumukurap ng isip natin Ang daming umaagaw ng ating attention, umaagaw ng ating time. Masyadong madami. Okay? So, para tayo na ikipagagawan, di ba? Ay, balik tayo. So, change your habits. Anong mga habits yung ginagawa mo na kailangan palitan mo na? Alisin mo na. Habits that's, example, let me concretize. Every Saturday, ano yung ginagawa mo na instead of you are earning money, you are spending money? For example, like ka na lang nagkagala, nagmamall. Wala mo masama yan. Pero kung every Saturday yung ginagawa mo, you keep on spending money, why not devote first your time every Saturday, okay? To launch your side job, to launch your side business. Okay? So, it may be high time to change that habit. Yung habit na makakatulong sa'yo to develop your personality. Instead of watching TV for the whole day, di ba? Why don't you read books, watch motivational videos, di ba? Write your first book, di ba? Make your own YouTube channel, launch your online business. So, it might be time for you to make a decisions. Desisyonan mo na yan, kapatid. Or instead of going somewhere, committing not, yung mga bagay na nagda-down pa sa atin, or engaging into something that's not healthy. So, why not just make that Saturdays launching something that in the end will make you successful and even make you rich, diba? Sacrifice now. Okay, I just watched it last night. Ano sabi dito sa aking notes? Pay the price now. Pay the price now so that in the near future or in the future, 5 years from now, easy na lang buhay mo, chilling ka na lang, di ba? Yan yung ginawa ni Dan Lak, sabi niya, for 5 years, he was working so hard. Okay, 5 years, imagine that. Okay, Grant Cardone, when he was just starting, he's working 18 hours a day. Diba? So, changing that habit, changing that lifestyle. Change it for a month lang or 6 months lang nga. Diba? Sabi ko nga, meron ako masterclass. I can help you to change your life for 6 months. What is that lifestyle na dapat tanggalin mo na? Yung mga bisyo, alisin mo na yan. Kasi, gumagastos ka lang dyan Diba? Sobrang kasalanan, gumagastos ka lang din dyan Nalulungkot ka pa sa gabi. Naiyak ka pa, diba? It's high time to make a decision. Bro, sister, mga kapatid. So, desisyon na natin yan. Tapusin na natin yan, diba? Okay, what else? Another area sa buhay natin na dapat make a decision. The people around us, baka it's high time to leave that person. Baka time na to say goodbye. Goodbye na. Tama na yung the time you had together na it's not worth it. It's not working. Kahit anong gawin mo, balik-balik yung mundo, hindi pwede. So, and people that are influencing you that that hinders you to become successful, di ba? To launch something na gusto mo kasi sila yung mahadlan sa'yo. Baka it's high time for them to make a decision and say goodbye to them. And say hello to many people around you. Say hello to the persons na willing to help you, willing to be your partner, your business partner, willing to be your mentor, willing to be your coach, or willing to be your inspiration in life. Ang daming tao sa mundo, di ba? Sabi ko nga, 8 billion people are walking around the planet. Tapos pag isa lang ang nawala, parang gusto mo nang mamatay. Isa lang yan. Unfair ka naman sa amin. Ang daming tao sa mundo, isa lang. Gusto mo nang na-depress ka na, di ba? Gumuho na yung mundo mo, di ba? Ang daming tao sa mundo, may pagkaibigan ka, may pag-usap ka. You know, every time I meet people, pag may kino-coach ako, ako kasi, nakita ko sa iyo, ang dami pa palang taong mabubuti, di ba? Ang daming taong mahuhusay, ang daming taong makakatulong sa buhay natin. Ang dami. So, right now, you know, I keep on discovering people, adding people in my team, adding people in my life that makes me happier, di ba? That makes me more inspired and helping me to do yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay, di ba? Ang daming tao, just make a decision right now na, sige, open na ako, Doc D. May pagkaibigan na ako sa iba, may pag-usap na ako sa iba. It's just a decision, right? Okay, next. Another thing na baka dapat gawa mo na ng decision sa buhay mo, yung career mo. Nasa tamang career ka ba? Diba? Okay ka na ba dyan being employee or you want to start your own business? Or okay lang maging employee ka, then have a part-time business or whatever you want to do. Yan ba yung career na gusto mo? Ang dami ko na interview, nakausap. They changed their career path. Walang problema. If you think you're not growing there, if you think there's something new na gustong malagpos, mawala, di ba? Meron kang gustong gawin. Sabi nga, don't fit yourself, di ba? Kasi there's person na para dyan sa pwesto na yan. There's a better person for that. It might not be you, okay? Stop fit. Yung finifit mo yung sarili mo para dyan, there's a place for you. Di ba? Merong isang lugar sa'yo na dun, fit na fit ka doon, di ba? You just have to find that place, find that company, find that business, find that a place na pwede mag-fit yung skill mo, mag-fit yung gusto mo sa sarili mo, gusto mo sa buhay mo. Diba? So, you just have to make a decision. Kagabi, I was watching John Austin. Sabi niya, ano sabi niya? Kasi, sorry, wala na yung kopya natin. Sabi niya doon ay, yan, it's okay not to know the details. Minsan, diba, so Doc G, pag nag-resign ako, saan ako pupunta? O pag nag-iba ako ng lugar, saan ako pupunta? Pag nag-abroad ako, ano mangyari sa akin? Sometimes, hindi mo naman kailangan na malaman ng mga details Sabi nga ni Pastor, nung si Moises, diba, nilid niya yung mga tao. Hindi niya naman alam, saan kami kukuha ng water? May water system ba dito? Saan kami kukuha ng pagkain? What will happen? Ano meron sa promised land? Pag nahabol kami ng mga Egypts, anong gagawin namin? Egyptians pa. So, anong gagawin namin? Diba? Saan nakukuha ng mga gamot? Everything. So, hindi alam ni Moises ang details, pero gumawa siya ang decision. I will lead these people. I'll go to that place. We'll go to that place. Go to that place. You don't know the details, it's fine. Nung lumuwas po ako, I left public school. I don't know the details. Basta sabi sa akin, I'll be the assistant program manager of the NIPA DNR. So, hindi ko naman alam kung what will happen to me. Pero, I went there. Sabi ko, Lord, if it's a new place for me, then, okay, I'll embrace it. Okay? Kaya sabi ko, ang dami kong learnings na natutunan sa journey na yun ng buhay ko. It's just a 1 year, pero dami ko napuntaan place. I was able to work with people na hindi mga Filipino, mga international, mga foreigner. So, I got their culture, kung paano sila mag-work. Nakita ko yung difference talaga natin sa kanila. Okay? So, just make a decision in your career, right? So, yan, another last. Okay, make a decision. Decision mo muna na anong skill ang i-develop mo. Sabi ko nga, at 40, dapat meron ka na at least 3 skills na na-hone mo na practice mo na that will give you income, di ba? That will determine your future. Ano yung skill na meron ka? Baka it's high time to make a decision, maglista ka na anong skill, o kung nakalista na, desisyon na mo na rin na improve ang skill mo na yan. What are your skills? Ang dami mong skills. You can be a speaker, a coach like me. Okay? You can be a vlogger, you can be a writer. Di ba? Ang daming pwede natin gawin. Ang problema, hindi mo pa alam. Make a decision. Pumili ka na ng 3 dyan sa skills mo. Then improve that. Alright? So, I can help you. Pwede kitang tulungan. I have my 6-month masterclass for you to discover what is your skill. What do you want to do in your life? Alright? Okay, so, yan yung mga areas na dapat nating desisyonan. Your routines, lifestyle or habits, the people around you, your career, your skills. It's high time to improve these things. At pag nabago na yan, gumawa ka na ng decisions mo, success will follow. Doon ka na magugulat, eto pala yung pwede mangyari sa buhay ko. Okay? It's not yet late. You can start right now. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umunlad natin buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Gilibers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go, let's go.